Hey everyone, welcome to Soap Trend. We hope that everybody is doing well. We have very much exciting news to share with you all in today's video. In this video, we are going to talk about one of our favorite TV series, Heartland. It is reported that the date is finally set for the launch event of Heartland Season 15. An exclusive peek into the new season is coming soon to a screen near you. So do watch this video till the end to know everything about the event. We really wanted to get this topic to you a little bit earlier, but we have to do all the studies and research before we could share all the information with you. But today, we are here to tell all of our viewers that the event to celebrate the launch of Heartland Season 15 will be coming to Heartland's official YouTube channel on the 4th of October at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. What do you guys want to see at the launch event? We think that most of you will expect your questions to be answered, or maybe you definitely want to see a tour of a set and an exclusive trailer for Season 15 that nobody has seen before, and possibly some of the surprises. But don't worry, as we will be sharing the direct link to the event as soon as it's ready, so we can all jump into the news and talk about one of our favorite topics, Heartland, while we watch the event. The filming of Heartland has also officially wrapped up, and it was confirmed by the show's cast Aiden Moreno on his Instagram. He wrote, "That's a wrap on Season 15 of Heartland. We all can't wait to sit down and watch the brand new season with you all on October 17th at 7 p.m. EST on CBC. Heartland not long now." When Heartland fans came to know that the filming had officially wrapped up, they replied to Aiden's post with well wishes. One fan wrote, "So excited, been looking forward to it for months now." Similarly, another fan wrote, "I hope whatever advice Rick is giving Luz, he takes it. She needs some direction in her life. Already hoping you all are back for Season 16. Another fan wrote, "Thank you Aiden for all your hard work and dedication. Can't wait to see you in Season 15. How's your podcast coming along? When will your first episode come out, and do you have any other film projects you're working on?" Similarly, producer of Heartland Michael Weinberg also took to Instagram to share his happiness as he will be finally seen on Season 15. He recently posted a photo on Instagram where he wrote, "After 15 years and 236 hours of Heartland, they finally let me do a cameo. That's me as the chauffeur. Hope they don't cut me out. Looks like he is very much excited to be seen on television." All his beloved fans were very much happy to hear this news, and Graham Waddle was one of them. He commented, "Yeah," on Weinberg's post. With his presence being official on the show, it seems like Season 15 of Heartland is going to be a very special season, as many new cast members have also joined the show. So what could be Season 15 all about? The Bartlett-Fleming family has learned a hard lesson. Life is too short and you have to live each day to the fullest. In Season 15 of Heartland, they will put what they learned into practice. Last season, Amy said goodbye to the past. This season, she will embrace the future by raising her daughter, working with the horses who continue to heal her, branching out into a new phase of her life and profession. She is moving forward and feels determined to leave a legacy. In fact, Jack, Lisa, Lou and Tim have all decided that now is not the time to pull back, but to ramp up, to create a new dreams and fulfill old ones. And they, as they always do, the family will pull together to help each other and will ultimately end up stronger than ever. In Season 15, we are yet to learn whether things work out between Peter and Lou, and if Georgie gets selected for the Olympics. We may also see what will happen to Cooper's Horse Therapy Center. So this much for today's video. We hope you liked it. We will deliver more news of Heartland as it comes in. We will have all the burning Heartland spoilers, updates and news you're looking for. So visit us regularly. Thank you for checking this video out. We will see each other very soon with another video. If you like this video, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for new videos every day. If you have anything to say, do let us know in the comment section below. We'll make sure to reply to your comments.